Can I get a... What up, homies? Let the old ball and chain know I'm headed home. Sure. Yo, it's hot in here now. Golly. Gotta crack these windows. So I almost pooped my pants in there. Crunches, bro. I was doing crunches. It's almost like, you know when you got like a thing of ketchup and you're squeezing it and shaking it and stuff? That's what it was like. I kept doing it and it was like, bro, holy hell. I'm about to crap my frickin' britches. So, anyway, we're done. I, in my infinite wisdom, forgot my backpack. And my backpack has my frickin' Zyn, has my headphones, has my little candies that I like to munch on every now and then. Bro, I was screwed. I had none of the fun goodies. So I'm just sitting there listening to freaking dang gym radio, and if you've ever just been sitting there listening to gym radio, you know how horrible it is. It's always something non-offensive that all, you know, that the old people will be like, this is catchy tune. Who is this? Like, bro, that was popular in 2009. All right, nobody likes this anymore. It's too poppy. Like, there's nothing to be poppy about. You know what I mean? Like old pop music. It was a different time, bro. That's when Christmas meant something. That's when people, even old people, were excited for Christmas. Nowadays, like, Christmas is like, nobody even decorates no mo. Anyway, we had a pretty good workout today at the gym. Oh, yeah. Can I get a... No? I don't get one? Alright, that's fine. That's fine. I don't need it. I don't need it. I'll give it to myself. You know what I mean? I'll Marilyn Manson myself. If you know, you know. I don't need you. I didn't need you anyway. I wasn't even really asking you. Alright? Shit. What's wrong with you? Anyway, I hope everyone's having a good day today. To me, it's Friday. And I talked about it in my last video. That school was canceled today because of a threat. Now, I read more about it. It was some douchebag student, idiot, kid should have his frickin' thumbs removed, bro. Maybe, I don't know. We'll find out what the extent was, because he probably just wanted to get out of school, bro, to be honest. He said, so someone brought a gun Wednesday to the middle school. A middle school student. So no older than 13, 14 years old. Like, what are you doing? You don't know shit about nothing! Oh my God! He wrote it on Facebook, though. You're next. Middle school. September 26th, September 27th. And today's the 27th. So, the police department got him. He's in custody. He's arrested. The school district said, all right, we're just gonna, you know what? Fridays aren't that deep anyway. We're just gonna cank it. Cancel it. But a f***ing damn middle school student, bro, listen, if you are watching me, which you shouldn't if you're under 18, because this isn't made for kids. Or whoever, I don't know. I don't know what the age group is. I know like most of my audience is between 27 and 34 or something like that. But if you're watching me and you're in high school, middle school right now, your life ain't. You don't know what hardship is. You don't know what hard is yet. There's very few of you that do. You're the ones growing up without a mom, with siblings, or a dad with siblings, and you're trying to do the dad stuff. You're without a mom, you're the oldest, and you're trying to do the mom stuff, whatever it is. And you're poor, I get it, you're fine. I get it. But those, you know, both your parents are together or whatever, and it's, you know, life is hard. No, it's not. Shut the up. You don't know about you don't know how easy you have it. I'm getting bullied at school. Shut up. Grow a sack and shut the up. Damn, get over it. Everybody's bullied. I was bullied hard. I was bullied hard, bro. Hard as I had curly long hair. Everyone called me Harry Potter. And I had glasses, so I got called Harry Potter all the time. Cut my hair. What's the matter, Harry Potter? You didn't like your curly hair, Harry Potter? Is your magic gone now, Harry Potter? Then they found out my mom turned gay and was dating some chick. That was fun. I've been bullied, dude. I've been there, done that. I've been there. 99% of people are bullied at some point. Get over it. Who cares what people think? All that matters is what you think, what your family thinks. Because at the end of the day, even like your best friend in high school, yeah, middle school, you might think they're your best friend. Ladies especially. Ladies, I'm convinced you don't have friends. You guys are just fake and mean to each other all the damn time. But dudes, as soon as you join the military, those aren't your friends anymore. As soon as you go away to college, those aren't your friends anymore. You guys don't talk anymore. You grow apart. That's okay. That's okay. But who gives a what they think? Because they're temporary. They're temporary. 99.9% of every friend I've ever had, I couldn't even tell you their last name right now. I couldn't tell you. I know one guy, Steven Sullivan. Well, maybe, okay, take it back. 3 dudes. Steven Sullivan, Matteo Cittadini, and Kevin. So, I don't remember his last name. Kevin. He drove a red Dodge Neon. Which if I had that car, dude, to be honest, I'd soup the shit out of that car, right? I'd rally that. But you know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't that deep, dude. It's not that deep. You're getting bullied. Just chill. It's okay. I know it sucks. I know it sucks. I've been there. But just find a hobby. Okay? Go to school. Keep your head down. Do what you gotta do. Ignore them. Just ignore them. Because once you're my age, bro, I'm 34. I don't give 2 shits what someone says about me. What someone thinks about me. I don't give a And when you're my age, you won't care either. You'll look back and be like, I can't believe I got my freaking nuts in a twist about whatever. It's not a big deal, bro. Keep your chin up. Go to the gym. Go work out. Get your stress out at the gym. Go do, if you can afford it. I know they actually offer lessons sometimes at like the Y. There's nonprofits out there you can join, like kids clubs. Go do some taekwondo, karate, MMA, jiu-jitsu, whatever. Then you can learn how to fight. And if anyone f***s with you, you fuck them right back. You can beat them off in the parking lot. You know what I'm saying? I know you know what I'm saying. Anyway, it's not that big of a deal. You'll be okay. At the end of the day, the only person that can affect you is you. Everybody else is just... It's like people pissing on a wall. On like on a concrete wall. That wall is still standing, homie. Might have some piss on it, but when it rains, it cleans it right off. It's okay, dude. Anyway, for the rest of the day today, I am going to be wearing my plate carrier because I wasn't able to do cardio. The wife needs the car. So I'm going to put my plate carrier on. It's a 22-pound plate carrier. It's got level 3 plus shield, plates in it. 22 pounds, and that'll be kind of like it's like I'm going to be a long form cardio. So while I'm up and around doing stuff, you know, I'll burn a little extra calories. But I'm going to have a little bit of tuna in it. we have some lunch meat. I'll eat some lunch meat. Have some rice. Maybe I'll make taco rice and cheese, to be honest. Taco rice and cheese. Anyway, hey, listen, I love you. There's a lot of cussing in that video. I know some of you older folks don't like all the cussing. But sometimes cussing is the best way to make a point, man. You know? If we're talking about sunshine and rainbows, why are you cussing, man? Chill. When we're talking about threats made to children, man, gets me all heated and fired up. But like I always say, I love you. I hope you're having a great day. If you're not having a great day, I hope you're having a good day, or it gets better, or whatever the hell, you know what I'm trying to say. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.